You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. A distressing tragedy has struck two Indian states, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, which claimed the lives of at least 11 young children. These deaths have been linked to a poisonous cough syrup named Coldref, manufactured by Stresan Pharmaceuticals, a company based in Tamil Nadu's Kanchipuram district. What began as a treatment for common cold instead resulted into fatal poison, shattering families and leaving nation with no trust in medicine. The heartbreaking story started to unfold in Chhindwara district, Madhya Pradesh. Over a short span of time, a disturbing pattern emerged. Children admitted to hospital with similar alarming symptoms: dizziness, vomiting, and rapid kidney failure, which was beyond saving. But you know what was the common thread among them? All of them had consumed cold drift syrup for their cold and cough symptoms. The most important role here was played by a private doctor, Praveen Soni, prescribing this syrup, who has since been arrested as a part of investigation. The Central Health Ministry has confirmed that the cold drift sample had 48.06% of diethylene glycol in it. Are you getting what it means? That means half of the syrup bottle was filled with hazardous, life-taking substance for children. Diethylene glycol, let me tell you, is a lethal industrial solvent used for antifreeze, brake fluids, and other industrial products, but is absolutely unacceptable for any medicine, let alone using it as treatment of common cold for infants, toddlers, young kids who are learning to walk, who had whole life ahead of them. An additional level of complexity emerged when the Madhya Pradesh Food and Drug Administration initially analyzed 3 of 13 samples were free from contamination in some local samples. However, Tamil Nadu's drug regulator confirmed DEG contamination in samples taken directly from manufacturing site of Stresan Pharmaceuticals, sealing the link between the syrup and the tragic deaths. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, the Madhya Pradesh government imposed a ban on Coldref and all the other products by the manufacturer. Simultaneously, Tamil Nadu too ordered Stresan Pharmaceuticals to halt the production immediately. Police actions and pharmacy raids followed as a part of nationwide recall effort to prevent more lives being endangered. This devastating episode echoes a prior tragedy. In 2022, the Gambia witnessed the loss of over 70 young children due to Indian-made cough syrup containing same amount of deadly chemical. The World Health Organization, the WHO, had since issued warnings about toxic syrups containing unacceptable amount of diethylene glycol from Indian manufacturers. Yet, here we are again, mourning the lives that could and should have been saved. This history fuels sharp criticism and calls for urgent action to tighten pharmaceuticals oversight and protect children. Under intense pressure, the central government assembled an expert committee for a complete investigation. Still, many view this response as reactive rather than preventive, with serious questions being raised about India standing as pharmacy of the world. This tragedy challenges the nation's pharmaceutical industry to restore public trust by ensuring absolute safety and efficacy to medicines supplied both nationally and internationally. As we reflect on the lives lost, this is a stark reminder that in healthcare, vigilance is a must, which should never be compromised. Consequently, the world is now watching to see how the government will act to restore the confidence. Keep watching the Central Post for further updates.